Hello everyone. Today I am in the living room where I've done some spring cleaning and I've also rotated some things in and out, as usual. There is something about spring that makes me want to open up the windows no matter how much pollen is out there, let the fresh air in, and just get things clean and fresh for a new season. In this room, I really wanted to use a cream-colored, over-dyed rug I've had in my girls' room. I love this rug so much, and it's one I got from Unique Rug Store in Turkey when I did some sponsored posts for them back in 2014. I love the subtle blues and greens and the tan colors in this rug, and it was exactly what I wanted to use for spring. This rug is a little small for the living room though, so I needed to layer it over something else, and the only thing I had was this 8x10 inexpensive washable rug. It's a little too white, but only the edges are showing, so I thought it would be fine for now. I started out with creams, greens, and blues because I wanted to use this southwestern wall hanging my parents had gotten me out west many years ago. I added some textures to the more neutral colors as well to kind of keep things interesting. However, it did not take long before I was craving some color and some florals, especially for spring. A few years ago, I bought a ladder-back chair that had a cushion made out of this Waverly Floretta fabric. I looked all over for it and actually had it in my cart at Fabric Guru for a while, but ended up not getting it and someone else bought it. So then, I could not find it anywhere online. I did find 2 one-yard remnants last summer, so I had already made several pillow covers and I really wanted to use those. I added some pillow covers I made from some matelassé fabric Mother gave me, as well as this plaid I had bought at Walmart years ago to make bows for fall. I just love how it all works together so nicely, and it's still fresh and light for spring. I also wanted to try cafe curtains on this particular window in the living room because I love the light this time of year. So I already had some shorter lace curtains and I just hung them up about halfway up the windows, and I loved how they looked in person. However, funny enough, when I started to shoot video, they just looked terrible, so I ended up hanging back up the vintage embroidered shears that Mother got from a neighbor many years ago. They needed a good wash though, so I ran them through the washer and just hung them up wet and let them dry in the breeze. I just love how this room has turned out for spring. Y'all know how I love my color and dark, cozy rooms, but I was really feeling like spring was a chance to lighten things up and also bring some things out that I've had packed away. I literally changed this whole room with things I already had, so this is probably why I am not a get rid of it if you haven't used it in a year kind of person, because I will use it again. It may be 10 to 15 years from now, but I will use it all again. So my friends, my advice is, as always, use what you have or can borrow from your mother and just make it pretty. There's a blog post linked with photos and details, so if you have any questions, just let me know there or in the comments below. Thanks for stopping by, my friends.